How to fix there was a problem communicating with a Steam. Please try again later. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error. The first way is change DNS server addresses. For this, click on search, type ncpa.cpl, click on the result, look for the running network adapter. The adapter would have green network signal. Right click on the adapter and select properties. Check the option Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Click on properties. Select this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 8888. For alternate DNS server, type 8844. Click on OK. Close the properties window. Close the network connections window and check if the issue is fixed. If the error still appears, then reset network. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select run as administrator, go to the video description. You will find these commands in the video description. Run these commands one by one. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the second line of command, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Third line, enter. Next, after running these commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check if the error is fixed. The next method is run Steam as administrator. For this, first of all, end task all the processes related to Steam using Task Manager. Right click on Start, select Task Manager. Look for the process related to Steam. Right click on the process and select End Task. Find if any other processes are here. End task. After completion, close the Task Manager and then run Steam as administrator. Click on Search, type Steam, select Open File Location from here. Right click on Steam and select Run as administrator. If the problem is solved, then it is alright. But if the error message still appears, delete or rename Steam profile folder. For this, open the File Explorer, click on the icon from the taskbar, go to the C drive, Users, open your username folder, App Data, go to the local folder, find the Steam folder in this list, rename this folder Steam Back or something that you like. The folder is renamed, close the folder and then check if the issue is fixed. In case anything doesn't work, Check the server status of Steam. For this, launch a browser, type Steam server status, press enter, click on this link, Steam status is Steam down. Check if Steam is up and running in your area. If server is facing outage or it is down, wait for a while until the server becomes up and running. The issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.